Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of my new phone, Oppo R17. So let's begin our video and see what's inside.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley.
So here is our box of R17 and it's written Oppo. So this model is 8GB and 128GB. They also have 6GB, but it is available from 7th of September. So let's unbox it. So let's check this small box. So there is one cover, silicone cover, and it is really strong. Thick grip from the bottom and sides, and this one have SIM ejector tool and some manual, which is no use because it will be in Chinese. And here is our phone. We will see it later. So this phone supports VOOC charging, which they said after charging 5 minutes you can talk for 2 hours. You can see this is 5 volt and 4 ampere quick charger, so it's really good. And they have headphones and data cable in this side. We will see it later. So here's our phone. So on the left side we have the volume keys, on the top we have the noise cancellation and antenna, on the right side the same tray and the power button, bottom the USB-C type charging port, speakers and 3.5mm jack. So behind there is no fingerprint lock because in this phone the fingerprint lock is in display. So they have a dual camera with LED flash, 16 megapixel and 5 megapixel. So let's start our phone. Oppo, powered by Android. So here we have many languages: Hindi, Filipino, Nepali, and so many. So we will choose English. Let's set up. So this phone have a fingerprint sensor in the display. You can see it's really nice. So it's done. So next one is face unlock. Here I am. It's quick. So the setup is complete. This phone have 6.4-inch screen with full HD display with Corning Gorilla Glass 6, 91.5% screen ratio, have a water drop notch which look really good, and they have no bezels on sides. So let's check the fingerprint scanner which was in display. Sometimes it doesn't work. You can see a little slow. But the face unlock is really quick. So we will check it later. So now let's check the Antutu Benchmark. This phone cost me 3,499 RMB. This is 8GB variant with 128GB storage. So let's check the Antutu. So the Antutu Benchmark score is 157,258, which is really low. The cost of this phone is near about 3,500 RMB, and this is 8GB variant. So I didn't like it. Honor Play 2000 RMB is giving more than 200,000. So this phone have a Snapdragon 670 processor with 8GB RAM. So the resolution is 1080 by 2340. Rear camera 16 megapixel with 5 megapixel. Storage near about 8GB. Front camera is 25 megapixel. Battery capacity 3500 mAh. So let's check the speaker sound quality.
Look at that body, I just gotta say. When you back it up and you drop it down low. When you pick it up, girl, I'm ready to blow. I'ma stack it up and I'm spending it all. When I throw it up, start twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
So the sound is really good. So let's check the camera. So this phone has 16 megapixel primary camera and 5 megapixel secondary camera, and the front camera is 25 megapixel. I will do a camera review soon. Oppo is good for selfie pictures, so 25 megapixel is really good. So see some pictures. So in last we will do a gameplay of PUBG and let's see the performance. This phone supports Snapdragon 670, so I think it will not lag. And you look the screen, it looks fabulous. Small water drop notch. I have Oppo Find X, which is bezel-less, you can see, and both look very similar. This have a notch, a small notch, but doesn't matter. So I do a gameplay, I screen record my gameplay, and in this phone we can not play the HDR mode, so it's really terrible. So in screen recording you can listen the music and everything, so this is a good feature in Oppo, and my game is playing smoothly, doesn't lag. So this is a small gameplay. I will do a complete gameplay soon. So you can see it's a recorded one. So when you play the game there is no notch, you can see. So the colors, graphics, brightness, everything is so good. And the game is going really smoothly. So I skipped the gameplay and we won this match. I killed 16 people and the phone played really smoothly. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and more unboxings are coming. So